Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the name of your workspace on ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using ClickUp and you want to go ahead and change the name of your workspace. Maybe your business name change, or maybe you're using an umbrella term. How do you actually go ahead and change the name of your workspace? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, click on your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner, then click on Settings. And then from here, click on Settings again on the left-hand side. Now, under General, you're going to see this option here that says Name. This is where you could actually go ahead and change the name of your workspace. So if we want to change our name to, let's say, YouTube Channels, go ahead and type that in, and then scroll down, and you should be good to go. So now when you go back to your workspace, you'll see that the name of your workspace in the upper left-hand corner has changed. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the name of your workspace on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.